Hi there, welcome to my home. My name's Lisa, come on through. We built the Montana 38 here in Batesford with the modern facade. We moved to Batesford probably about 2 years ago to be a little bit closer to family and also for a tree change. We used to live in Melbourne and just wanted a little bit more space. We came across Boutique when we were looking at display homes, looking for inspiration. We were really looking for a ranch style home that would fit on our 1 acre block, and as soon as we saw the Montana 38, it was everything that we wanted. This is the kitchen, and I think one of my favourite parts is the Georgia Bluff Caesar stone. We've got the gold handles here and the pantry around the corner. And then with the living space, we were able to put on our own style and colour. I'm not quite sure what I'd call my style, a little bit eclectic, a little bit farmhouse, but it's certainly us. So one of my favourite parts of the kitchen is we added in these sliding doors here. It opens up onto the entertaining area, which is fantastic, plenty of room to spread out. This is Paul, works in construction and has been very helpful when it comes to a lot of the DIY jobs that we've done around the house. This is Ruby over here enjoying the fire. Then we've got Bodie. One of the main features we loved about the Montana is the rake ceiling. It really opens up the space. So this is our media room. We wanted to keep this space really moody and we were able to style it with just some pops of colour. Come on through to the bedroom. This is the master bedroom. We've tried to keep this really warm with a lot of colour and texture. The thing I love about these curtains is we can watch the sunrise in the morning. This is the ensuite. We've tried to keep the styling really simple. We've got the same cabinetry and Georgia Bluff Caesar stone, which I love. Dual sinks, very helpful and handy. And then we've got this fantastic bath, which is probably my favourite feature of the room. So come on through up to the other end of the house. Study's in there, which gets used very regularly. Got the key drop here, which is super handy. We have the powder room off the hallway, and we've got one of the first bedrooms. This is the Rumpus Room. So this room gets used really regularly, often on a Friday night. Dogs are actually allowed up on this couch, so we spend a lot of time down here as a family. This is the laundry and mud room. We've put in some tiling, our built-in bench seat. And we've also tried to follow through from the kitchen with the cabinetry and the pools as well. The planning and design phase was fantastic. It was great to work with everyone at Boutique. We really enjoyed it. I think one of my favourite experiences was the day it spent at the design studio picking out all the finishes. It was a long day, but certainly worthwhile. The build process went really smoothly. Our site supervisor was fantastic, kept us up to date throughout the whole build. We've been in the home now for 2 years and absolutely loving it. It's everything that we hoped for and really enjoying settling into the space and making it our own.